Students, so from today onwards we'll start a new exercise, that is exercise 6.4, and I will explain the first 5 sums of question number 1 of chapter squares and square root. So we have number 1 question 2304. Now what we have to do, we have to find the square root of this number, but not by prime factorization method but by division method. Okay, so be very careful. This is very important method and it is very valuable in the higher classes also. So what you have to do, you have to first write the numbers. Okay, now you have to draw these lines. Okay, now the most important part. So you have to make a pair, but from which side? From the extreme right side. Fine, from this side. So this is the first pair and this is the second pair. Okay, so once you have written the number, you will draw the line, then you will take the pair from extreme right hand side, from this side. Okay, so these are the two pairs. Okay, now in this particular method you will only use this table. I am writing this table here, that is 0 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into 4 is 16, 5 into 5 is 25, 6 into 6 is 36, 7 into 7 will give you 49, 8 into 8 is 64, 9 into 9 is 81. So this is the only table that you will use in this division method. Fine. So what is the first two digit number? 23. So if I see the table properly, so which is the nearest number I can write? That is 16, because 25 is greater than 23. So 4 into 4 is 16. So I will write 4 here and 4 here, and then I will write 16. Please see the way that I am doing. Okay, 4 here, 4 here, and then I have written 16. Now you will draw one big line like this. Now I will subtract these two numbers. 23 minus 16 is what? 7, isn't it? Now once you have done the subtraction, you will bring down this two digit together, not one by one but together. Okay, because these two numbers are in pair form. So now you will bring this two number, it will look 0, 4. Okay, now watch carefully. Now whatever number you have written here, you will write it here also. Whatever number you have written here, you will write it here also, and then you will do the addition. So 4 plus 4 is 8, and then you will put one dash here. Okay, now when you're putting a dash here, that means you have to write one number. Whatever number you will write it here, you have to also multiply with same number. Suppose I'm giving you one example. Suppose if you write 6, it is a rough work I'm doing. Suppose if I am writing 5 here, then I have to also multiply with 5. Okay, if you put 3 here, then you also have to multiply with 3 only. Okay, so now you have to select one particular number, okay, by which you have to multiply also, and you have to get this number also, that is 704. Now see how to do this. Which number to put, which number to select. Now there are so many numbers are there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 to 9. So which number you have to select? Now for this you have to see this number first, and you have to see that what is a unit digit. So unit digit is 4. So if you see this multiplication properly, table properly, okay, table properly students, so in which cases you will get the unit digit as 4. Okay, the two cases are what? 2 and 8. See carefully, 2 to the 4 and 8 is a 64, isn't it? In both the cases the unit digit is 4. So you have two numbers to select, either 2 or either 8. So now we'll go to the rough work. First we'll check with 2. So if we put 2 here, then we have to multiply with 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. So this number is not coming. So 2 is not the number. So what is the next option? Next option is 8, isn't it? So if you put 8 here, then you have to also multiply with 8 only. So 8 is a 64, 6 goes to carry. 8 is a 64 plus 6 is what? 704. So your right option is 8. So when you will write 8 here, you will also write 8 here also. And then after that you will write this number. Fine? So that's it. This is a solution. Now at last what you have to write? Square root sign you will give. You will write 2304 and your answer is this one, student. That is 48. Okay? So I hope you have understood. Now let's do sum number 2. Okay, more you will understand. The next number is 4489. So we'll write it down first, 4489, and then we'll draw the line like this. Fine. So what is the next thing that we'll do? Yes, we'll do the pair from the extreme right hand side of the number. That is, these are the two pairs. Now which is the closest number to 44? Now which number we'll choose? 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, 7 sevens are 49. So 49 is greater, so we'll use 6 6 are 36. So 6 into 6 is 36. Okay, now we'll subtract this number, so we'll get 8. Okay, 3 minus 3 would be 0. Now we'll bring this two number here, that is 89. Fine. Now whatever number you will write here, you will also need to write here, and then you have to add it up. Fine. That is 6 plus 6 is 12, and then again you have to give dash. Fine. Now what is the required number? 889. 889. So what is the unit digit? 9. So 9, which is the option then? 3 and 7, because in this two number you will get the unit digit as 9 only. So either you have to put 3, first you have to put 3 and see that whether when I will put 3 here, and if I multiply with 3, then will I get this number or not? If not with 3, then your other option is 7. So let's see. So suppose if I put 3 here, then I have to multiply with 3 only. So 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3, 3 6 9. No, it is not coming. So what is your another option? Your another option is 7, isn't it? So you will put 7. Now 7 7s are 49, 9, 4 goes to carry, 7 2s are 14 plus 4, 8, 1, 7 1 is 7, 8 8 9. See, it's coming. So you will put 7 here, and then you will write this number. Okay. So how to write the answer then? 4 4 8 9, square root of 4 4 8 9 is what? What is the answer? 67. Okay. So now let's move on to sum number 3. Sum number 3, we have 3 4 8 1. So we'll write the number 3 4 8 1. So we'll draw the line like this. Now what to do? We have to pair the number from the extreme right. So these are the pairs. Now which is the closest number to 34? So which number we have to use? 5 5s are 25, isn't it? So 5 5s are 25. I will write this. We'll write 9 here. Okay, we'll bring this 81 here. Okay, now what number I have written here? 5. So we need to write 5 here, and then we have to add it up. So 5 plus 5 is what? 10, and then we have to put dash. Okay, now we have to bring 981. So 981 is carrying unit digit as 1. So which will be the options? 1, because 1 1's a 1, and another one is 9. 9 9's a 81. So in both this option, we'll get 1 as a unit digit, isn't it? So the first number we put is what? 1. So if I multiply this 101 with 1, I will get 101. So 101 is not the required number we are looking for. So what is the other option we are having? We are having 9 as the other option. So 9 9's are 81, and 9 1's are 9. So 9 is the right number. So 9 here, and then we'll write 981. So finally we have to write square root of 3481 is equals to 59. Fine. Now let's move on to sum number 4. 529. Now this is a 3-digit number, students. So we'll write the number first. We'll draw the line like this, and then we'll start pairing. Fine. So from the extreme right, these are the two pairs, but this number is not in the pair form, so we'll give point here. Okay. The numbers which will be not in the pair form, we'll give dot at the top. So what is the nearest number to 5? 1 1's a 1, 2 2's are 4, 3 3's are 9. So 2 2's are 4. So 2 into 2, 4. Now we'll subtract it. We'll get 1. We'll bring this 2 9 together. Okay. Now which number I have written here? 2. So I will write 2 here also, and then we'll add it. 2 plus 2 is what? 4, and then we'll put dash. Now what is the number? 129, and what is the unit digit? 9. So 9 for 9, which option we are having? 3 and 7. 3 and 7. So we'll put 3 here. So 3, and then we'll multiply with 3 also. 3 3's are 9, 3 4's are 12. Now see, 129 is coming. That means this time 3 is the right option. 3 here, then we'll write 3 here, and then we'll write 129. So what is the square root of 529 then, students? It is 23. I hope now slowly it is becoming easier and easier, isn't it? Now let's do the last sum for this session. So sum number 5, we have 3249. I've already drawn the line, students. Now what we have to do? We have to do the pairing. This is again 4-digit number, students. Fine. So now what is the nearest number to 32? So 4 5 5 5s are 25, because 6 6 are 36. So 5 into 5 we have 25. Now we'll subtract it. We'll get 7 and bring this 49. Fine. Now what number we have written? 5. So we'll write 5 here, and we'll add it. We'll get 10, and then we'll put dash. Now what is the required number? 749, and what is the unit digit? 9. So when it is 9, which are the two options? We'll go for 3 or either 7. So we'll first put 3. So we'll multiply with 3 also. The answer would be 309. So 309 is not the required number. Now we'll check with 7. So now I'll check with 7. 7 sevens are 49. 7 ones are 7. So 7 is the right option now. The 7 here, 7 here, 749. Okay. So at last what you have to write? Square root of 3249 would be equals to 57. Fine. And the rest of the sums would be your homework, students. Practice yourself. The more you practice, the more you become better. Fine. Thank you so much. God bless you and take care, everyone.